बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो यार।
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm back with another video. लेकिन वीडियो में जाने से पहले मैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा, जितने भी व्यूअर्स इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, प्लीज़ पहले सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए बिकॉज 85% पीपल आर देयर हु वॉच माय वीडियोस एंड हैवंट सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल।
भाई समझ के बोल रहा हूँ यार।
This is so bad and so unfair for me. इसलिए please I request you in the starting only that please subscribe to my channel and hit a like button on today's video. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. In this video, I'll be talking about 8 reasons of preferring MIT University Noida. 8 ऐसे कारण जिस वजह से आपको MIT University choose करनी चाहिए. We all know that MIT is a great university to study. So I'm telling you 8 specific reasons to study in MIT University and to pursue your career with MIT. So reason number 1. As we all know, MIT provides world-class infrastructure. It has big blocks and green campus, fabulous styled, well-maintained buildings, air-conditioned blocks, air-conditioned classes, air-conditioned library, and many more. And if you talk about MIT's campus, specifically Noida campus or Mumbai campus, both are one of the most beautiful campus of private university in our country. We can compare it with IITs also in its beauty and its infrastructure. What MIT provides you to study, it does provide a world-class and fabulous infrastructure to study. Reason number 2. As we all know, in MIT University faculties are PhD holders and not from any किसी ऐसी वैसी यूनिवर्सिटी से नहीं. They are from international university or like IIT or NIT based university. So you can't question their knowledge, you can't question their degrees, and you can't question their mode of teaching or anything they tell you. You can't question their knowledge. So the degree they have got, they have earned it, and they are more and more knowledgeable person than any other private university will be having, because they are PhD holders. And we all know that PhD or masters is, we have to study more and more for those 2 degrees, and we don't get those degrees in market. So we have to study for those 2 degrees, and if a person is getting those degrees, then he is knowledgeable, he or she is knowledgeable. So we can't question their degrees or we can't question their knowledge. Third reason, MIT is not only in national level, it is international level also. As we all know that MIT has 30 plus campuses around the world, and in foreign countries, I don't think so many people will be there who don't know about MIT University. So all are knowing about MIT, and MIT has earned that respect and faith from outside students. That's why they prefer MIT University in Noida. I am studying in Noida, and I have seen that most of the students from outside countries also prefer MIT University, like Bhutan, Nepal, China, etc. So we have to admit that MIT is an international exposure university. It provides you exposure by giving you different opportunities and hundreds of opportunities to rank or to develop your skills in foreign also. Although they charge for this, but every university will do charge. But MIT is like international exposure university, and it will provide you so many opportunities to rank yourself in a global level, not only in national level. Fourth reason of joining MIT University is its alumni network. As we all know that alumni network is very important for developing our skills, and after the placement it's very important. As let's take an example, if you get a job in Noida and you want to get a job in Bangalore, let's say, and you have an alumni contact who is working in Bangalore, so you can request him or her to give you or to provide you knowledge about the jobs which are there in Bangalore, and it can be very helpful for you. That job can be bigger than your job. It's a plus point for you. If you know an alumni, then it is going to help you in future. And MIT has alumni network in a huge number, huge number. And MIT also conducts so many webinars with that alumni, so they can guide you and they can give you directions to go in a specific way, and that way is going to help you in future. Fifth reason to join MIT University is it's provide you a silent and green environment for study. If you are a studious person, then MIT is a dream university for you, because as we all know, MIT is a great campus, so it has lots of places to study silently where no one will disturb you or no one will make noises, and its library is the best option for you to study, as it's a silent nature there, silent environment there. So you can prefer MIT University if you want to study in a silent and peaceful and green environment. Then MIT is a good option for you. Sixth reason for joining MIT University is that MIT is a technology driven university. It's all technology and research based. So if you want to prefer a technology based career or in research organizations, then MIT is the best option for you, as it provides so many opportunities for you in technology industry and research industries also, by conducting so many conferences with foreign faculties and different alumni and international faculty professors of big university. And as MIT is having so many partners outside the world, so that university's professors come here and take conferences and meet different students and provide opportunities for you to show your skills at the global level, not only in national level. So this can be a good option for you. Seventh reason, MIT is having a great record of placement, as its website also conveys that it has 100% placement. It does provide 100% placement for the people who are eligible only. If we say that 6 GPA is an eligibility criteria, people scoring above that CGPA are eligible for getting placement and are getting placed. Not only in a single company, some people are getting placed in different companies also. So this can be the option for you to get a secured career. If you want to do a job, then MIT is a good option for you in terms of private universities. Eighth and for the most reason is that not only bookish knowledge is necessary for you to get a successful career. Your personality development is also one of the key features to rank yourself in companies or show the world that you have got something. So MIT also works on your personality development by providing you lots of opportunities to join a club and meet different types of people, meet different people from that university, and it's going to help you a lot. It will help you in increasing your communication skills and developing your personality. If you will meet different types of people, you will talk to them and you will know each other, and your communication skills will grow, and it will help you in placement, because in interview round they will only check your personality, not your bookish knowledge. Although bookish knowledge is also a criteria for getting selected, but they will also check your personality and communication skills. So if you want to develop your personality in a good manner and your communication skills also, and if you want to pursue your passion also along with your studies, then MIT is also a good option for you, as it provides different types of clubs. Like if your communication skills are not good, it provides literary club, and if your like coding skills are not good, it provides lots of coding clubs. So they will provide you so many opportunities if you want to get together. So MIT is a very good option for you if you want to pursue your career in like different sectors and you want to develop your personality. MIT can be the boon for you. So I recommend you to join MIT University if you want a good and secured career. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I was clear on all the things I mentioned in this video. I will see you guys in next video. Tab tak ke liye stay blessed, stay safe and peace out, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video again.